welcome to my channel. This is Heather with Party Favor Printables, where we take your party to the next level. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to wrap your Rice Krispie treat party favors. They usually print 2 per page, but I've already cut off one and used it, so we're just going to use this one to wrap a Rice Krispie treat. Supplies needed are Rice Krispie treat, crafter's tape. I get mine from Amazon. It's a double-sided crafting tape, paper crimper, and scissors. Now I've already trimmed the excess white off the left side, so we're just going to go to the right side and also trim off the white excess. Now for the top and the bottom, we leave a little tiny bit of white on both sides, just enough to where we can double stick tape it. Next we're going to flip it over. Now it's time to put the double-sided tape on, and we're only going to do it on the left side, the right side, and the top, leaving the bottom side untaped. I will post links in the description below of the supplies that we purchased from Amazon to make our Rice Krispie treat party favors. Now take your Rice Krispie treat, place it in the center of your design. Lift it up just to make sure you have it right on the design. You're going to take the flap that is not taped and fold it over first, the bottom, and then you're going to take the top and fold it over, overlapping the other white section. Push down on the double-sided tape to seal it. Then you're going to lift it up, make sure your design is centered. Next, we have to seal the sides. So you're going to flip it up, kind of push in that excess wrapper from the Rice Krispie treat, pinch in the middle, and then work your way to the outside sides. Same thing on the other side, push it down, and then pinch in the middle and seal it from each side. It's okay if there's creases in there, it happens sometimes. Next, we're going to take the scissors and trim the excess white that are on the sides just to make it look nice. And then finally, we're going to use the paper crimper. This is totally optional, but it does give your Rice Krispie treat that authentic look. We bought ours from Amazon, super cheap, but it's totally not necessary if you don't want to spend the extra money. You're just going to crimp both sides, and that's it. Your Rice Krispie treat is done. These make great party favors for any event, birthday, or holiday. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop for more party favor printable designs. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful.